Ever stared at your sluggish computer, wondering if it's time to say goodbye and splurge on a shiny new one? What if I told you that with a few smart tweaks, you could breathe new life into it, making it faster, more capable, and saving you a bundle in the process? It's like turning a rusty old bike into a high-performance racer without buying a whole new garage. Stick around as we explore how to upgrade your tech and keep it thriving longer. The big takeaway here is simple yet powerful. Don't ditch your device when it slows down. Evolve it. Upgrading means swapping out or adding specific components to boost performance, storage, or endurance. It's not about overhauling everything. It's targeted tweaks that align with your needs. Imagine your computer as a loyal sidekick that's gotten a bit winded from daily battles. Instead of retiring it, you give it a power-up potion. Suddenly, it's handling multiple tasks without breaking a sweat, loading files in a flash, and lasting through your longest days. Let me share a quick story to bring this home. Meet Alex, a video editor whose laptop started lagging during renders, turning quick jobs into all-nighters. Instead of dropping thousands on a replacement, Alex researched and upgraded just the memory and drive. Boom. Renders flew, and the machine felt reborn. This isn't magic. It's strategic enhancement that extends usability while being kinder to your wallet and the planet. Diving deeper, here are 3 game-changing upgrades that pack the most punch. First up, boosting your memory or RAM. If your system chokes on open tabs or apps, adding more is like widening a narrow highway. Traffic flows smoothly. For casual users, jumping to double the capacity can transform everyday browsing. For creators or multitaskers, even more turns it into a productivity powerhouse. It's often straightforward, needing just basic tools and won't cost much. Second, swapping to faster storage like an SSD. Think of your old hard drive as a cluttered filing cabinet, slow to rummage through. An SSD is a digital vault with instant access, slashing boot times and making everything snappier. Whether replacing or adding one, it's a revelation for anyone tired of waiting, and compatibility checks are key to avoid headaches. Third, for laptops, refreshing the battery. If your portable pal fizzles out too soon, a new one restores that on-the-go freedom. Some are a simple swap, others need a bit more finesse. And if you're into graphics-heavy work, desktops allow card upgrades for that extra visual muscle. But stick to basics unless you're advanced. But not all devices are upgrade-friendly. Slim laptops might have locked-in parts, so scout your model's potential first. A quick online search or guide can reveal all. And decide between DIY for the hands-on thrill, with tutorials as your guide, or calling in pros to avoid mishaps. Always back up, check fits, and remember, if the core is ancient or fried, a fresh start might be wiser. We've unlocked just a glimpse of how these upgrades can reinvent your tech world. But what hidden gems could tailor your setup even further, dodging pitfalls and maximizing every dollar? For those deeper dives and more real-world hacks, the book, Buy the Brain, Not the Brand, holds the keys. That was just one idea from Buy the Brain, Not the Brand. The full story goes much deeper. If you're curious, buy the book now. The link is in the description. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.